Hello everyone, I hope you people are good. Let's start today's assessment. This is third guided assessment, pages number 139 till 141 of workbook 1B. Your learning objectives are to revise the topic with guided assessment. Now all of you open your workbook 1B, page number 139. Take out your pencil and take out any one color. If you don't have the color, you can use your pencil for shading. Before starting the assessment, I am going to tell you some points. If you keep these points in your mind, your assessment will be very easy. First point is, there are two hands on clock. One is small hand, that is called hour hand, and the other hand is a big hand, that is called minute hand. When your minute hand, the big one hand, is pointing to 6, this means time is half past. And if your minute hand, the big one hand, is pointing to 12, this means it's o'clock. Now keep these points in your mind, then your assessment will be very easy for you. Now let's start the assessment. Put date and day at the top of your page. Put your finger on question number 1. Color the correct time shown on the clock face. Yes, your A part is, look at the clock face. What is the time on the clock? There are the options. Options are 3:30, 2:30 or 2 o'clock. Which one is the correct one option? You will color that one option, the correct one option, just color it. Look at the clock face, check the time, choose the correct time from these three options and color the correct one option. Now your part B. Look at the clock. What is the time on the clock? Your options are 4:30, 12:30 or 4 o'clock. Color the correct one option. C part. Look at the clock face. What is the time? 4:30, 5 o'clock or 5:30. Now color the correct one option. This is how you will do the page number 139. Now open the next page, page number 140. Put date and day at the top of your page. Your question number 2 is, which clock shows the correct time? Put a tick in the appropriate boxes. Yes, under the picture, the time is given. You will just see the clock face. Is the clock face is showing the exact time? If yes, you will put the tick inside the box. If not, you can leave the box or you can put the cross inside. Look at the first one picture. This boy is taking bath at 6 o'clock. Now look at the clock face. Is this clock is showing 6 o'clock? If yes, put the tick inside the box. If not, leave the box or you can put a cross inside. Now look at the second one picture. At 6:30, this boy is sleeping. If the clock face is showing the exact time 6:30, if yes, put the tick. Now the third picture. The boy is watching TV at 7 o'clock. Look at the clock face. Is clock is showing the 7 o'clock? If yes, put tick inside the box. Okay, look at the next one picture. This girl is reading at 12 o'clock. Now look at the clock face. Is this clock face is showing 12 o'clock? If yes, put the tick. Otherwise, leave the box or put the cross inside. Look at the fifth one picture. Children are playing at 2:30. Yes, look at the clock face. Is your clock is showing 2:30? If yes, put the tick. Otherwise, put the cross inside the box. Now check the last one picture. Children are going to school at 7:30. Is the clock is showing 7:30? Look carefully. If yes, put the tick inside the box. If not, put the cross. When you are looking the time, carefully look where is the minute hand and where is the hour hand. This is how you will do the page number 140. Now come on the next one page. Page number 141. Put date and day at the top of your page. Your question is, write the time shown in the pictures. Now you will see the time from the clock and you will write down the time inside the boxes. Yes, at what time this boy is swimming? Look at the time from the clock and write it down the exact time inside the box. B part. At what time this boy is inside the class? Look at the time from the clock and write it down inside the box. C part. At what time this boy is playing with cat? Look at the time from the clock and write it down inside the box. Your D part is, at what time the children are in music class? Look at the time from the clock and write it down inside the box. Your E part is, at what time children are inside the class? Look at the time and write it down inside the box. Your F part is, at what time the boy is making drawing? Look at the time from the clock and write it down inside the box. Yes, very good. Excellent. This is how you will do the page number 141. That is it for today. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.